Please, please, please. I just want to look like the Instagram baddies.
Totally.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show y'all how I achieved this half up, half down look. Also kind of get into a little bit more details of the Klaiyi wig that I reviewed in my last video, because I'll be goddamn letting them give me my edges. So in my last wig review, this wig gave me a bit of a heartbreak. So much so, I don't even think I gave y'all a full review. So I got to thinking, what better way to give y'all a full review than to do it together? I mean, how could I really have gave y'all the real tea if I hadn't even styled the wig yet? So y'all ain't gotta take my word. We gonna learn and find out together, okay? Now I know y'all are familiar with the half up, half down look that's trending everywhere. So today we're gonna see if I can achieve that same look with the 4x4 closure wig, as well as see how this hair responds as it's getting styled. Now, I've already took the time to wash it. Well, I kind of rinsed it. I rinsed it. I don't wash it. Well, I washed it before. Okay, I washed it before. And then I rinsed it because I put a little. Anyway, I'm going to blow dry this wig out to kind of loosen up some of the curl pattern or whatever. And we're going to get to it. We're about to get to it. Again, I don't know what exactly I'm doing. I'm not a hairstylist either, but I could whip up a do. I may not be no hairstylist, but I could whip up a little do. I could do a little shadink. Give me a moment. I'm about to blow dry this out, and I'll be back. Y'all know what? I changed my mind. I got started, as y'all can see. It's hot. I got to sweating, and I just realized it was just a little bit more than what I was investing into, but we still gonna ride it out. We're gonna ride the wave, and we still gonna pull off this look. So instead of blow drying my entire wig or whatever, I'm just gonna blow dry parts that I want straight. Now, I've already kind of laid whatever baby hairs, I could lay. I'm not a baby hair guru. I tried. To talk about me is to talk about your mama. So, not too much on my little baby hairs. My main concern with this hairstyle is the edges, because it's a 4x4. And I don't want it to look like a 4x4. Like, I don't want you to see the west on the side. I'm trying to see how to go about that, but still keeping it, natural looking. Just roll with me. Because at the end of the day, it's too late. You already watching, so. And while you're there, you might want to subscribe, because there's going to be some more shenanigans in the future. Okay, it's a little tangly. But it's curly hair. That's to be expected. Now, I parted it down the middle, and then I still kind of like parted it close to the weft, but I still left some hair that's a part of the lace out so that it could cover the weft. And then I made sure not to go too far on the sides. That way it's still giving scalp. Now, whether or not it's gonna work out, baby, we shall see. First, I think I'm gonna take my hot comb and straighten out the sides a bit. Now, I did spray some, I did use some heat protectant through this. I only had a little bit, so I don't know how effective it's gonna be, but it'll also give us a clear idea whether or not this hair can revert back to its original curl texture. Ooh, hair gods, please sit me down, because baby, if this hairstyle fail, honey, I'm gonna look a mess, and I'm not trying to. So I probably should brush this out. I should definitely brush this out. Now I'm trying to see if, like, where exactly I want my ponytail. I want to kind of like do like a, I don't know, like a zigzaggy kind of thing. That way, like, some of the hair from the top of the weft can cover the hair from the bottom of the weft. I don't know. Basically, I'm just not trying to go around, you know, I ain't trying to be, you know what I'm saying? I don't want too much of the weft being exposed. Like, I don't want to just have to wear this in dark spaces. I want to be able to go out. Woo, child, arms burning. Shit. Okay. Is this enough hair, y'all? Is this enough hair? Because my other concern is, once I revert this ponytail back to its natural curl pattern, if it's gonna be looking skimpy, I don't want no skimpy shiesty pony. I don't want no shiesty looking. I don't want that. I don't want that. I guess I won't know until the end, because I ain't going back. It's too late. We knee deep in this thing. I'm not going back. And if I'm doing this wrong, I don't care. I don't care. This ain't for the gurus, because I ain't no guru. This is for the girls that's trying to make it like me. We just trying to get in where we fit in. We already struggling. Is this even getting hot? Oh, Lord. Okay. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Sweet baby Jesus. Okay. Okay. It's going bad already. Oh, God. Please. 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 I just want to look like the Instagram baddies. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Because half the time, I don't even know what I'm doing. I really don't have very much faith. But they say all you need is the size of a mustard seed, and God gonna carry you through. So I really pray to the hair gods, okay, to just help me deliver. So what we have here, what we have here is I pressed out the part that's going into the ponytail. You get me? I hope you get it. I hope you see where I'm going with it. If not, just, you know, just trust the process. Just trust the process. I got my ponytail up. If you don't know how to do a ponytail, baby, this ain't the video for you. I can't help you. I can't even teach you. At this point, I'm just really winging it, man. I'm like a little baby birdie, man. I'm just winging it, man. I'm just winging it. So, I'm about to straighten out this front part because I want it to be like, I ain't gonna say bone straight, but somewhat straight. The results that I got from straightening the sides, the texture of the hair kind of gives me that 4C texture or that natural kind of look. So I don't see this hair getting like bone straight, but I'm gonna try to straighten it out as much as possible because I wanna like the Instagram baddies. I wanna do it. I wanna look like Instagram baddies. So let's see what we can achieve. Woo! Y'all better appreciate me because I done burnt my damn forehead. I done burnt my forehead. Oh God, I done burnt my forehead. So next time y'all see me, if I have some blisters on my face, mind your business. Mind your business. I went in and I straightened it with the hot comb, but then I backdoored with a flat iron to get it this straight. So I want a little bang to bang bang, a little bang. My goal is to cover up the wefts with this hair, with this part of the hair. So I'm gonna take it and wrap around to the back. You follow what I'm saying? So y'all can get a bigger picture of what I'm talking about. The weft right here. I'm gonna try to cover the weft part. By golly, G, we got it, baby. I think we're going somewhere. I'm feeling very Y2K. So I'm gonna take a rubber band and put it in like a little mini ponytail towards the back. And then I'm gonna freeze spray the rest of it. I should have did some side edges before I went this far, but oh well. I'm lucky to get this far. And God damn, my forehead's still burning. Okay. I think we halfway there. So I'm gonna let this down in the back. I would straighten this, but I'm not dealing with the curls no more. They done burnt my face. So we're gonna take it and wrap like so, like that. It's coming out cute. It's coming out cuter than what I thought. Okay. Don't lose my shit. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. So far this is what we looking like. Baby, I'm almost there. Almost there. I went ahead and curled my little front pieces. I probably shouldn't have did this. Probably should have waited. I should have waited until I wet my hair, but oh well. Oh, I'm dripping. Okay, so here's the final result. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. I think I did a great job. Your girl is trying to be like the girlies. I want in on all the trends. I want in on all the cute looks. So tell me, did I achieve it? Is it a no? The process of styling this hair was pretty simple. As far as getting it straight though, I did have to put in a little bit of elbow work. You know, I had to go in with my hot comb and my flat irons to kind of give it the straight look that I was looking for. But that's only because this is textured hair. I know in my previous video I mentioned how it was processed in order to get it curly like this, which I still believe it was, but I feel like they processed it on texturized hair, so you won't get that super bone silky straight look if that's something that you're trying to achieve with this wig. But overall, like getting the hair to revert back to its natural curl pattern was no problem. Oh, one thing that I do not like, just a con to it, is the fact that if you're not taking care of the lace very well, the hair will fall out. Like, it will start to low-key bald in the lace. So you have to be kind of gentle with the products that you use to lay your edges, because you will be bald. But yeah, I just kind of transitioned from using like gels and stuff like that to just using my wrap lotion. That way I don't have to worry about the hair hardening, and then when it's time for me to like reinstall, I don't have to worry about pulling the hair out of the lace. So yeah, I give this wig, Klaiyi, I give it 2 thumbs up. Like, it's definitely a good shake and go. Like, if you want to wear it in its natural state and be on the go and slap it on with no glue or nothing to tack it down, that's good as well. If you do decide that you want to have some type of adhesive, from glue to the, what is it called, Gold Bond spray, you'll be fine. It's gonna be very secure. You're not going nowhere. I'll be linking this wig down below. No, I'm not getting no coin from this. I've just, just want to put y'all on. This is for the girlies that we don't quite know what we're doing, but we know how to do a little something. Anyway, that's all I have for now. Until next time, bye.